In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to deposit money into Polymarket step by step, no crypto experience needed. So first, head over to Polymarket and create an account. You can sign up with an email, Google, or connect a wallet like MetaMask if you're more advanced, but for most people, just using an email is the fastest way. Once you're in, click on your wallet icon on the top right corner, then hit add funds. This is where you'll see your options. If you don't have USDC or any crypto, don't worry. Polymarket now supports credit/debit cards and Apple Pay through third-party providers like Stripe or Transact. Just choose the amount you want to deposit, say $20 or $50. Then follow the steps to pay with your card like you would on any normal site. It might take a couple of minutes to process, but once it's done, your balance will show up as usdc in your Polymarket wallet. And that's all the money you'll use to trade on the market. That's literally it. Super easy. No crypto wallet required unless you want one. If you want a walkthrough on how to cash out or withdraw your funds, let me know down below in the comments. And make sure you subscribe and like.